Here are step-by-step instructions on how to get the DBTV network on your Amazon Fire TV. Step 1. Turn your TV on by pressing the little button on the upper left hand of your remote. Then click on your Amazon profile and you will be at the home screen. Step 2. Scroll to the Find tab by moving to the right. You'll see you move over one spot to the right. Step 3. Scroll down and click on the search button, just hit down once. Step number 4, type DBTV into the search menu. You can do that by clicking on that little circle on the left and right and then in the center. Click on each letter and then scroll down and click on the DBTV tab. Step 5. Scroll down and click on the last row. It should be about 3 down and click on that first option. Step number 6. Click on the download button. It will already be pre-selected, just hit the little arrow in the middle of that circle. Step 7. Click on open. Now the app is downloaded on your TV and you can begin watching the DBTV network on your Amazon Smart TV. How to find it in your library. Next time you turn your Amazon TV on, you will be at the home screen. Click all the way to the right. Keep clicking until get to this little gray button right here. Click down and scroll all the way down until you come to the DBTV icon and you are ready to watch a little something for everyone. Thanks for watching.